Today we're doing homemade soft pretzels. And they were soft and they were homemade. You got this, you can do it. Follow my recipe. I promise these are like the best I've ever made. They were amazing. Let me know what you guys think. Check them out. You're gonna need about an hour and 45 minutes to make these. An hour of that is just the rising time. Then you'll need about 10 to 15 minutes to bake them at the end, but the stuff in between does not take very long. I promise they're worth it. It's a great snack. You can make it for lunch for your kids on an unhealthy day. Ugh, why not? You know, everybody's stuck at home with the pandemic anyway. You might as well let them enjoy the little things in life like pretzels. Who doesn't like pretzels? I don't know. This recipe turned out perfect. So I hope you guys enjoy and enjoy this makeup look. Boom. First you'll need 1.5 cups warm water. You'll need 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm using the E4 out of the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1 for this eye on top and this eye on the bottom. And now I'm going to be using the A5. Now you mix all of that up. Add 1 packet of dry active yeast. Let that rest for 5 minutes till you know it's active. Now I'm using the E1 in the corner here and pop in 4.5 cups of flour into your bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of oil, mixing it all together. Start mixing it with your hand. Once it's all mixed good, just place a little bit of extra oil into the bowl and swish it around in there. I always just kind of like grab the whole dough and like cover it a little bit. Cover it with some plastic wrap and let it rise for 1 hour. Once it rose for about 40 minutes, I start my boiling water. I add in 2/3 cups of baking soda into the boiling water. At this point, it's been an hour, and I move the dough onto a little bit of parchment paper just so it doesn't stick, and I start making the little shapes. As you can tell, mine aren't perfect, but who's perfect anyway? Nobody. They all taste the same. Now I boil them. As soon as they kind of rise to the top, I flip them and let them boil some more. Take them out and let the water drain out of them. And then place them onto a baking sheet, which I line with something. You can use parchment paper. I have those like mats that protect them from sticking, and I use those. So do whatever you got. Do what you gotta do. Make an egg wash from a couple eggs and some water. And just like a little gulp of water, I go boop. Put the egg wash on them right before I bake them. I bake them at 450 degrees for 10 to like 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them so that they don't burn. I know I just got a new oven, so I gotta keep looking at this point till I learn this oven, but I had them in there for about 12 minutes. They were perfectly soft on the inside and they were just incredible. My family loves them and recommends them to you all. What do you think, Gage?
It's good. It's good.
My husband literally said that he would pay $4.50 for one of those at the mall. $4.50 at the mall.
Man, this is like a pretzel shop. I would go to it and I would spend like at least $4.75 on one of these pretzels.
That's good, right? And that is all. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. This goes in the category of some of my easier videos, and I hope you guys like this makeup look. I did a little switcheroo, flipping the colors. Love all these colors. It's amazing. Do you guys love them? I love them. Let me know if you guys try these. Let me know what you guys think. I'd love to hear your opinions on how they worked for you. I'm really curious if any of you guys are trying these recipes. This was like a late night snack for me and my family. We definitely enjoyed them. On a couple of them I used a little bit of the everything bagel seasoning and those were amazing. My kids tried those. That worked out great. I just kind of thought, oh, I'll wing it. I was like going for the salt in my cabinet and saw that and was like, I'm not gonna be selling these at the mall anytime soon, don't worry. But if one of you is coming over to my house, let me know if you'd like them. I'll make them. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Hope you guys all have a wonderful day and see you back hopefully really soon for another episode of Food and Beauty. And bye. Real good. Worth it. You guys should try making them. This is a day 2. I made these last night. They're still perfect. I just put them in a Ziploc bag. Yes, I'm eating and talking at the same time. What are you gonna do about it? Sorry about your luck. Yup. Make these pretzels, man.